Hello guys, we are taking the topic tangent normal, and in which first we will consider the equation of curve y equals to fx, and there should be a point at which we will find these tangent and normal. So tangent means a line which touches the curve at the given point P, and this is tangent, and perpendicular line on this line is normal. The slope of tangent is mt and the slope of normal is mn, and these are perpendicular. First we will collect the slope of tangent. So the working procedure is, first we have the equation of curve y equals to fx, the equation of curve. Now we will differentiate it. So result will be dy over dx on first differentiation. Now for getting the slope of tangent, we will place the point P, or you can say coordinates of P, in dy over dx. So we'll collect the value of dy over dx at x1, y1, and the value of this is the slope. You can say tan theta. This is the angle formed with positive x-axis, means the slope of tangent is mt, or you can say dy over dx at given point x1, y1. Now next we want to collect the slope of normal, and we know this tangent and normal both are perpendicular. So it means the slope of tangent and slope of normal, so the product of these two should be -1. That means mn equals to -1 over mt, or you can say mn means slope of normal is -1 over dy over dx at given point. Okay, now we are taking the examples. Now question 1, we are taking polynomial function and we want to collect the slope of tangent and normal. So number 1 is, we have y equals to x cube minus x, and the given point is 2, 1. So first we will obtain dy over dx, we will differentiate it, we get 3x square minus 1, and dy over dx at given point 2, 1, so it is 3 into 2 square minus 1, so it is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11. So the slope of tangent is 11. So it is first answer, but we also want to collect slope of normal, so the product of these two slopes is -1 because these are perpendicular, tangent and normal. So mn is minus 1 over mt. So you have right now the value of slope of tangent. We put this minus 1 over 11, means slope of normal is minus 1 over 11. That is the negative reciprocal of slope of tangent. Now the second part, for getting the slope of tangent and normal, we are taking a trigonometric functions. So it is y equals to sine 2x plus cot x 2 whole square at x equals to pi by 2. So first we obtain the first derivative, so we differentiate it. It is twice sine 2x plus cot x plus 2, and the differentiation of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x plus minus cosec square x and 0. So it is 2 sine 2x plus cot x plus 2 into 2 cos 2x minus cosec square x. Right now this is the value of dy over dx, but this is not the slope. It becomes the slope of tangent when we put the coordinates of point at which we want the tangent in dy over dx. So it will be twice sine 2 into pi by 2 plus cot pi by 2 plus 2 into 2 cos 2 into pi by 2 minus cosec square pi by 2. So it is twice, this is sin pi is 0, and cot pi by 2, so it is also 0 plus 2, and this is cos pi, that is minus 1, and this is 1. So it is 2 into 2 into minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3, so we get minus 12. So mt is minus 12. The slope of tangent is minus 12. So slope of normal mn will be reciprocal of mt with negative sign. So minus of minus 12, that becomes 1 over 12. So these are two answers. Now next is find the equation of tangent and normal. The equation of curve y is fx. This is curve equation. So first we will differentiate it. Second, we will collect the slope of tangent, that is dy over dx at point x1 y1. Now the equation of tangent, that is y minus y1 mt x minus x1. So we are using slope point form. So it is the equation of tangent. Now fourth one, we will collect the slope of normal, that will be minus of reciprocal of mt. So this is the slope of normal. Now the equation of normal will be y minus y1 mn x minus x1. So this is the working rule. So question is, find the equation of tangent and normal using calculus method. So we have equation number 1, y square equals to 4ax. This is the equation of parabola. So our curve is parabola, and we want the equations or tangent and normal at point at square 280. These are the parametric equations. So according to our working rule, first we will differentiate it. So on differentiation we get 2y dy over dx, and there is 4a. So dy over dx is 4a over 2y, and the dy over dx at given point, that is 80 square 280, so that will be 4a over twice of 280. So this is the value of y we put on this expression. So we get 1 over t, and this is the slope of tangent. Right now we want the equation of tangent. So using point slope form, we have slope and point both. So y minus y1 means 280, mt, that is 1 over t, x minus x1, that is 80 square. So on multiplying this, it is yt minus 280 square, and there is x minus 80 square. So you get x minus yt plus 80 square equals to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Now for getting the equation of normal, our requirement is slope of normal. So the slope of normal mn is minus 1 over mt. So it is minus 1 over, and the mt is 1 over t. We will place 1 over t. So we get minus t, means mn equals to minus t. Now the equation of normal is y minus y1 280 minus t x minus 80 square. Only we will substitute the value of slope. So it is tx plus y minus 280 minus 80 cube equals to 0. So this is the equation of normal. Now next example, ellipse, and the equation of the curve is x square over a square plus y square over b square equals to 1, and the point is a cos theta, b sin theta. We will obtain dy over dx, differentiate it. So we get 2x over a square plus 2y over b square dy over dx equals to 0. So dy over dx equals to minus 2x over a square into b square over 2y. So you get minus b square x a square y. And what is the slope of tangent? That is mt, means dy over dx at given point, and given point is a cos theta b sin theta. So put this value in this expression. We get b square into a cos theta, a square into b sin theta. So cancel out this b and this, a square this, so you get minus b cos theta over a sin theta. mt equals to minus b cos theta over a sin theta. So find the equation of tangent. That will be y minus y1. y1 is b sin theta, and mt is minus b cos theta over a sin theta into x minus x1, that is a cos theta. So simplify this, you get ay sin theta minus ab sin square theta, this is minus bx cos theta plus ab cos square theta. So taking it on this side, bx cos theta plus ay sin theta, this come on this side, ab is common, we get sin square theta plus cos square theta, this is 1. So you get on dividing ab, we get x cos theta over a, y sin theta over b equals to 1. So it is the equation of tangent. What will be the equation of normal? So for this, first we will collect the slope of normal, which is negative reciprocal of mt, and we have mt, slope of tangent is minus b cos theta over a sin theta. So put this value, that becomes positive a sin theta over b cos theta. This is normal equation, normal slope of normal. Now the equation of normal, that will be y minus y1, that is b sin theta, slope of normal a sin theta over b cos theta, x minus x1. So right now simplify this, we get by cos theta minus b square sin theta cos theta equals to ax sin theta minus a square sin theta cos theta. So we get ax sin theta minus by cos theta equals to a square minus b square sin theta cos theta. So this is the equation of normal.